Good morning to all. Hope you all are doing great. So today in this video we'll be discussing about future retail share. So we'll see the update, the same update again. It was given today in Times of India that RIL inches closer to buying future retail business. So we'll try to see the basic shareholding pattern of the June end 2020, and we'll try to find out the next possible levels of future retail. So we know that whenever operators enter in any stock, we need to focus on the levels. So that should be our main strategy. So basis of news, it keeps on fluctuating, but levels are very crucial. So keep that point in mind. So even when we discussed about Alok Industries as well as Birla Tires, so how exactly it has obeyed those levels. Okay, and people who are new to the channel, so definitely let me mention that I started separate videos on intraday stocks, positional stocks as well as long-term stock, just free of cost. So just it's knowledge sharing purpose only. So if you're interested, can definitely subscribe the channel and watch those videos as well. Okay, now let's get started with future retail. Before that, let me recap the previous update on the share, that when the Fitch ratings on Friday, we know that it has downgraded this future retail and has given rating to C, because due to the company has not done the interest payment on bonds, which is worth almost $500 million. So that way it has reduced the rating, as well as it has given a grace period, okay, to fulfill the payment. So that was the reason why on Friday it has closed on LC. But we should focus on levels, not on news. So news is okay, it's primary, but levels are also very crucial, because operator, whenever you're entering in operator stock, you need to specially focus on levels only. Keep that point in mind. Okay, now let's see the latest shareholding of the June ended quarter. So if you see the shareholding of the future retail, you can see the promoters are almost having 41.7%, and mutual funds, you can see, are almost having a very less quantity, around 3.5, and next other institutions are having 7.5, and public, okay, the general public is almost having 36.2% stake. Okay, and we know that the company is having pledging, which was the main drawback for the particular company. So that way it started falling. We know that in this stock, operators were having continuous trades. Okay, when I made 3 to 4 videos on future retail, that's why I told, when you're entering at any particular point of time, focus on levels and invest only in small amounts. If your capital is almost 50,000, just put only 1,000 rupees and just see what is happening in the stock. If at a time put 50,000, then definitely you'll enter into loss. So avoid those kind of strategies and follow investing in small quantities, so that you will have a decent amount of returns. Okay, so this is the basic shareholding that you can see. So apart from these are the basic highlights, you can see promoters pledge reduced to 74.9% of holdings in June 2020 quarter. So this is the latest updated thing. Before, when we discussed about the pledging, it was almost 99% pledging was there, but now the pledging has reduced to almost 74.9%, and also the promoters have increased their holdings by 1.42% of holdings in June 2020 quarter. So two good things: once the promoters are increasing and pledging is decreasing. So when I told you, whenever promoter is increasing stake, means is showing interest towards the particular company. Okay, we also know that Amazon is also having stake in this company. It's a very good sign, but even the promoter should show more interest, so that others will start attracting to the company. And one other negative thing is that FIS has slightly reduced their holdings, and number of FIs and FPS holding stock fell by 30 to 157 in June 2020 quarter. And mutual funds also have a slightly decreased their holding by 1.4%. Okay, don't panic that all these mutual fund holdings are selling, because again, once when the stock will start having movement, then they will again come back and start investing. So major thing is not the mutual fund holding or financial institution holding. We should see how the management is working. So if he's reducing the pledging or not, or if he's increasing the stake in the company or not. So when these two things are satisfied, then we can relax. Okay, you can see all both the two things are satisfied. Now just we need to focus on the levels that will will discuss on technical charts. Okay, if you see the latest mutual fund holdings, you can see L&T Mutual Fund. Okay, you can see L&T Mutual Fund Trustee Limited is almost having a 1.63% stake, and next we have a IDFC Sterling Equity, which is almost having 1.48% stake. So these are the two major mutual funds having stake in this particular future retail. Okay, next if we see foreign portfolio investors are having almost 10.98%. Okay, and apart from that, you can say government pension fund global, okay, is having a 2.28%, and VG emerging markets smaller companies fund is almost having a 1.36% stake. So this is all the updated mutual fund as well as shareholding patterns on this particular share. Now what to do? So if you're invested at a high price and you want to add further, or if you want to hold it, so what will be the next levels? Now that we'll see on the technical charts. Okay, before that, let me show you the mutual fund houses buying, holding and selling. So you can see holding is denoted in blue color, bought is in green, and sold is in red color. So you can see holders, okay, is a slight holding is slightly decreasing, okay, because of this, the operator speculation as well as because of the results on this particular company. So we should not panic about these things. So we need to focus on management that I have discussed. And you can see the selling, okay, is almost not that much. Okay, selling is almost flat, okay, when we compare with initial stages, and buying has not been done yet in this particular company. So buying, when it will generate, when the fixed deal between any of the company, either it may be Amazon, Reliance, Wipro, anything. So when the deal will be assured, so then that excessive amount of buying will happen and the share will have movement. And another important thing is that the debt on the particular company. Okay, so these are only the things which we need to focus, and since we know that it's operator stock, focus on the levels. Simple, not more complicated, only focus on levels. Now let's see the levels of future retail. If you see the 1-day chart of future retail, you can see a very good support at 95.45. So this on Friday it was almost on a LC, we know that. So this 95.45 is a very good support from where a small reversal may also happen, and if you want to watch out, definitely you can invest in small quantities. Okay, and apart from that, if you see the mutual money flow index is also showing that some amount of reversal may happen at this particular price. So immediate supports will be, first one is 95, another one is 90. So these are only the two supports that you need to focus. In my previous videos also I have told the same thing. The stock will correct a little bit near 90 rupees, so focus on the levels. Okay, few people agreed but few people were totally angry on me. Okay, that's common. I'm not telling that it's totally wrong. Each and every individual will have their own point of view, so that's why I've told that so 95 will be a very good support from where you need to focus. Next, what we can see in 1 week chart. Okay, so in 1 week chart also you can see that the stock currently is taking a very good support at this particular point. So next immediate support is 90 as well as 85. So once this 95 level is respected, okay, when it will start retracing, then definitely you need to invest. If you're beginner and if you want to invest in the stock, then always invest in small quantities only. So although money flow index is showing that some correction is possible, but don't see all those. When operators are entering, we need to focus only on the levels. So 95 is very good support, so focus on it and enter in small quantities. And in next video we'll discuss about future consumer as well, and people who are new to the channel can definitely subscribe the channel for all the latest updates. So until then, take care, stay tuned, bye bye.